Take one, we're rolling. This is Dead In Your TrackZ. Credits. We've got three brothers whose dream was to make this game. Let's start, and I'm going to do the classic one. So this is a progressive game, meaning that the more you play it, the more you are going to earn money, the more you are going to upgrade. So what I want is to have a bit of money. Yes, I need to upgrade my auto turret, which is quite fuel efficiency. And then I don't have much money left, so I've got quite a few things which are good. Shall I buy this? Yeah, I'll buy the compensator. And then we are going to do a level. So I think I'm on level 3. So this is my gun. So I've got quite a few things. So 16 in taser, 8 bullets. I've got the laser. And I killed 418 zombies so far. Oh, actually. Oh. Some other helmet. Whoops. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, let's put my... Oh, wow. Awesome. A bit more different, this one. Oh, I didn't see you. I've got no turret anymore, which means that's going to be fun. Could be the end of me there. And I died. Here you go. Proceed. So when you died, fortunately, you managed to accumulate some money. And then I can go there. My auto turret upgrade. What do I get as an upgrade? Okay. Armor. A shotgun. Grenades. Attachment side, I've got everything. I think I've got the base gun possible. Muzzle, magazine, a drum magazine. Okay. Okay, let's get a drum magazine. And then we do the level again. So every time you play, well, you... Ooh. Okay. 28. Bring it on. It's a very fun progressive game, eh? So nice to have quite a bit of ammo. Okay. Oh, I'm dead. Sad one, this one. I don't think I can go back to a different level before that. So I can just, I don't know, just chill a bit. Difficulty. Into turn. Oh, yes, now I can replay some other ones. Difficulty higher. And then, what can I buy? What can I buy? I've got money. Magazine. I'm on max ammo type. Let's get some AP rounds. Auto turrets. Fire rate. Okay. Let's continue. I would love to have a bit of a QTO profile. Okay, so this was one of the first level I did. Can I shoot it? Well, that would be quite easy, I'm assuming. We die quite quickly. Oh, new enemy. Okay, let's put the... Can't see the dude. Fun. Nice. Cool. Well, you understand the concept. It's a very solid game. You can do a bit of training here just to have some fun. And then here, it's locked. I need to do 5,000 kills. Gray, skin, music. I'm going to upgrade my turrets. 9,000 fuel efficiency. Okay, well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.